The 12-inch car rearview mirror camera with 4G connectivity, Android 8.1 operating system, and various advanced features is a comprehensive solution for in-car monitoring, safety, and entertainment. The rearview mirror camera features a large 12-inch display, providing a clear and expansive view for both rearview mirror functions and multimedia playback. With built-in 4G connectivity, the device allows for seamless internet access on the go. This feature can be utilized for real-time navigation updates, online streaming, and other connected services. Running on the Android 8.1 operating system, the device offers a versatile and user-friendly platform for various applications, customization, and efficient multitasking. The integrated dash cam function records video footage of the road ahead, providing a valuable tool for capturing incidents, accidents, and scenic drives. This feature enhances safety and provides documentation in case of emergencies. The device is equipped with 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance, quick app launches, and ample space for storing recorded videos, apps, and multimedia files. Integrated GPS navigation provides accurate and real-time location tracking, turn-by-turn directions, and points of interest information, contributing to a reliable and convenient navigation experience. The ADAS feature includes advanced safety technologies, such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and other driver assistance features, enhancing overall driving safety. The auto video recorder functionality ensures continuous recording while driving, automatically saving and organizing footage for later review, or in the event of an incident. With Wi-Fi capability, the rearview mirror camera allows for wireless connectivity, enabling over-the-air updates, app downloads, and internet access without the need for additional hardware. The device functions as a digital video recorder, DVR, capturing high-quality video footage with various recording modes and settings, providing a comprehensive record of the driving experience. In summary, the 12-inch car rearview mirror camera with 4G connectivity, Android 8.1 OS, and advanced features offers a multifunctional and connected solution for in-car monitoring, navigation, and safety, making it a versatile and valuable addition to any vehicle.